I harness my strength. I'm confident and committed. I bounce back from setbacks and disappointments. I learn from experience. I pick myself up and adapt to changing circumstances. I use hardships to deepen my compassion and my spirituality. I view challenges as opportunities. I give thanks for circumstances that push me beyond my comfort zone. I enjoy testing my limits and discovering my potential. I consider my options and take constructive action. I deal with stress effectively. I practice training my brain through affirmations. I release tension by working out or listening to my favorite music. I slow down. I set aside time each day for rest and relaxation. I surround myself with support. My relationships are healthy and mutually beneficial. I communicate openly and honestly. I share my thoughts and feelings. I ask for help when I need it. I take responsibility. External events may be beyond my control, but I choose as to how I react to them. I align my actions with my values. I accept the consequences of my decisions without casting blame or making excuses. I build my self-esteem. I believe in myself and my capabilities. I accomplish what I set out to do. I rely on my faith. Prayer and meditation help me to connect with something greater than myself. I feel encouraged and uplifted. My fears shrink and my courage grows. Today, I build my mental and emotional strength. I am powerful and resilient. Here's some questions for you. How would I describe my personal strengths? How can helping others through difficult times make me stronger? What gives me hope for the future? I'm going to go out today and I'm going to have my best day yet.